Welcome on the channel. Today process of debugging freshly assembled tube amplifier. Such amplifier or bit bigger with power supply with such a diagram. This is push-pull, but the principles of this is same for all amplifiers, all tube amplifiers. To simplify this task, the best is debug separately amplifier and his own power supply. We just avoid the problem with some strange noises. For this reason I do it on bench power supplies. And just to clarify, amplifier built according to the proper diagram with proper components should run without fail, so if it's not work at all, it means a tick mistake. The value of component are overshot like 10 times, or probably we just made mistake with assembly. Sometimes it's better to disassembly everything and assembly again. If you have different ideas or questions, just leave info in the comments. So let's go, maybe it will be helpful for somebody. It looks like we have much less amplification on right channel. I swap EC91, but it do not change anything, so of course the best idea is just compare left and right, because left is okay, right is not okay. And of course we can start checking, measuring components, etc., etc. But first of all, a few minutes ago I checked if everything is solid, and I not notice one thing. 1 minute break. Take a look for this picture. What is lack on the right channel? Okay, maybe it was less than 1 minute, but coupling capacitor, I don't know, it's working anyway because of this divider, which heaters, high tension, and few seconds. Definitely something wrong. Okay, next approach. Let's swap the power tube. Maybe this is tubes. Okay, it looks like it is not it wasn't tubes on power stage, so back to the business and check again. Inject the signal from generator. This is sine, something like a 500 Hz in the both channels. And here, see, is right now just before the pushing the pot, so just wanna check full. Okay, so right now take a look. Is signal are same. Right now I will move behind the pot. Means something is wrong. How come? Okay, let's think about it. This have to be here. Okay, let's check it. Scope. I never try to solve, more than one thing, and never try to do more than one thing at once, because later on I don't know what's changed. Still, it's not like it should. I don't know. problem was created because it's new design. I usually use this old one, and this is only one ground, so no matter how you connect, it's always okay. But here it's a two grounds. I not notice, I just use this, take, solder, and think everything will be okay. But this is two grounds, so they even make two solder points to connect them if you want. So right now it's okay.